Hello, I'm Fred Riedel. This song is from God's heart to yours. Can't Stop the Rain. Stop singing the blues. It's time to choose. Yet you refuse. God still wants you. You're stuck in your pain. God says you can let go. You stay in your rain, but you don't grow. Can't stop the rain. God sends with love. When it rains, Jesus prays above. Can't stop the rain, or you wouldn't see the sun shine at all. Without the rain, would you hear God call? One man cries for rain, one a sunny sky, one curses heaven, one lifts his hands on high. Our God causes the sun and rain to fall on everyone. Without the rain, we have no sun. Can't stop the rain. God sends with love. When it rains, Jesus prays above. Can't stop the rain, or we wouldn't see the sun shine at all. Without the rain, would you hear God call? God sees your pain, and He's in our rain.